Morning guys, we've just woken up and apparently the ducks were annoying Matthew last night.
Don't even go there.
I just saw a duck fly onto our roof and he's massive the whole night.
And they go quack 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 the whole night. These Egyptian geese and yo.
But I heard nothing. I slept like a baby.
He's on the roof again.
Don't know if you guys can hear.
Yeah, anyway.
But unfortunately we're leaving today at 10 o'clock this morning. We were only here for one night and we definitely have to come back. Definitely. Hey hun?
Yeah.
This is how you open the windows, and there's like a bazillion of them. So they're blinds, and then you tie it over here like that. Like that, and check, there's so many of them. So you have to do all of them at night and all of them in the morning. Okay, it's unlocked now, so here's our two little stoopy chairs, Opa chairs. There's our huge anchor and our buoy, some rope. Don't know if you guys can see. No, you can't see really. Maybe over there. Not really, but this is the side that our boat is tied down in the water. So from here the boat like turns like that, but that side, this side stays where it is. Our boat's been turning the whole night and it's still turning, so we get a different view every time, which is pretty cool. So this morning's agenda is we're gonna pack up here, and then we are going to go to this bakery in Knysna that we've been wanting to try. It's called Il de la Pain. Al de Pain. Some French name. Happy anniversary to us! We've loaded all our luggage onto our little dinghy boat because it's time to leave, unfortunately. So yeah, goodbye little houseboat. Oi oi captain, are you ready to take us back?
Always.
In 500 meters, turn right onto the lofts.
We are going to visit a new little bakery in Knysna called Al de Pain. So we're walking there now. We've parked a little bit away from it and I see it already from here, so I'll show you guys. Sad news, that place is closed on a Monday, so we are going to a different cafe across from them. It's called?
Absolutely no idea.
Okay, I'm not sure what this place is called. Oh, they have pastries. Check the cinnamon bun. It looks so good. Cinnamon bun. Carrot cupcakes. Macadamia chocolate. Look at here. Lemonade raspberry cake. So we went into the second cafe and we got a chocolate cheesecake to share. Okay, this is the chocolate cheesecake. Looks amazing. Oh my word, it's crumbling. Okay, well this is the best I could do. So good. It's really nice. Okay, here we go.
It's not terrible, eh?
Jeez, it's so good. I think it's so nice.
It's nice. Maybe I need some more too.
Ah, okay. It's good.